So, hello guys, my name is Arjun Singh and I'm a student of Masai. So today I'm going to tell about my experience of Unit 3 Sprint 1. Unit 3 is gonna too hard for us, definitely. But about Sprint 1, in Sprint 1, uh, in starting 2 days, I really faced some difficulties to adapt some concept because many new things are coming, uh in DSA we started stack. In what is in stack is a different way to doing some questions, some DSA questions, and yeah, it's quite difficult to understand, but now is okay. And in coding we learned some construction functions, object create and some prototypes. That's a very new learning for us. And a day before yesterday I just shared my own programming language. I created my own programming language in this sprint, and in Hindi you can check out my videos. So also some issues like to adjust in unit 3, how because our teachers is changed and we have to adjust. Now we have to adapt uh, new things and with the new learning styles. And as we are come from IT line, so we have to adapt, we have to build a trait like to adaptability. So so now the things are going fine, and next sprint will start from Tuesday. So that's it from my side. So thank you guys, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for upcoming updates.